Location, location, location. Welcome to Tuesday's Take. Today I stand at 659 3rd Avenue Northwest here in Valley City. I'm in a 2-bedroom, 1-bath home. And also in the basement it has the laundry room as well as another shower. Plus it has a non-conforming bedroom downstairs. So today what I want to do with this home is highlight some of the benefits. First of all, location, location, location. I really love it that it's just a few blocks away from the high school, elementary school, the Dairy Queen, the grocery store, and churches. So you can't beat that. Another benefit of this neighborhood is you're on a quiet corner, you don't have a lot of through traffic. Another feature that's great is the large yard. You can do a lot of things with the yard, whether it's just playing out in the yard, gardening, or the possibility of a larger garage in the future. So those are the main highlights of the home. Lastly, you just really can't beat the value. At $73,900, you're getting a lot of house and yard for under $80,000. And as always, the grass is always greenest at RE/MAX Lawn Realty.